How did one single video make over $500,000? To put that into perspective, that's $500,000 that most people work their entire lifetime to make. And yet somehow, this video just casually made $500,000 like it's nothing. Yet there are many videos, countless videos in fact, which got similar views but didn't make the same amount of money. And some videos like the ones that you are seeing on your screen right now got way higher views but they barely made $50,000. So first, how did this single video make over $500,000? Second, how did it blow up? And third, how can you also do the same yourself? Let's start with the first one, how this video generated $500,000. First of all, if you look at the views which the video got, it has over 3.7 million views. So how much did the video make from YouTube AdSense alone? Well, on the 1 of 10 podcast, Jordan reviewed his analytics that this video has an RPM of over $90, which is simply how much the video generates per 1,000 views. And to be honest, making $90 per 1,000 views is crazy high. So on the same podcast, he shared that he earned a whopping $337,000 and counting with YouTube ad revenue alone. And if you also do the math, you multiply the views by the RPM, we get a figure of over $337,000. But the question is, why did this video make so much money? Well, first is because Jordan Welch is in a high-paying CPM niche, which is business and make money online. And with this specific video, he was talking about dropshipping, which is a topic that until today pays crazy money per 1,000 views. And not only that, but the majority of people who watch this video are from the US, the UK, Canada, and other English-speaking countries which have high RPMs or CPMs. All these factors contributed to him making over $337,000 on YouTube alone, which is nuts. But why is he saying that he made
and has made me over 500 grand?
Well, because apart from the YouTube ad revenue, if you look at the video description, you'll notice that Jordan Welch made the rest of that money from affiliate links that he put in the description of the video and from the leads he sent to his digital product Viral Vault. Now, how did you create this video to blow up, and how can you also do the same? Well, the most important thing that Jordan Welch did before he even made the video was to come up with a big viral video idea in advance. How?
So here's the 3 key things that YouTube looks for in the algorithm. First things first, is the video clickable? Second, does the video have a long watch time? And most importantly, does the viewer leave feeling satisfied? To get somebody to click, you need to focus on 3 key elements: the video idea, the title, and the thumbnail. Most people already know how important the thumbnail and title are in getting clicks, but very few people talk about the video idea, which is arguably the most important piece of the puzzle. The main idea of your video needs to appeal to your target audience. You should speak directly to what your potential audience is going to care about the most. My favorite way to find these ideas is simply see what other creators in your space are posting. You need to present the idea in a format that appeals to a large audience. My favorite strategy for this is to find winning formats and see what's currently working for channels outside of your space and add your own touch to it.
If you want to learn more about this, click this video or click this one to find out how much YouTube pays for 2.2 billion views.